What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to The Hague. Right now I'm here in Amsterdam and I'm going to take the train to The Hague. I have my train ticket right here and I'm just going to go to The Hague today, spend, I don't know, probably a few hours there, and then take the train back later on this evening, because tomorrow I have to leave the Netherlands, so I can't really stay the night in The Hague. But yeah, I'm excited to go, so let's see what we get into.
Ja, precies. Zowel met neus als met jacht. Om van een beetje graag te testen wil ik ook bij.
Alright guys, welcome to The Hague. Right now I'm on my way to the seat of Parliament, which is in The Hague. For those of you that don't know, Amsterdam is the capital of the Netherlands, but the government stuff, such as the seat of Parliament, is in The Hague. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to come to The Hague. I also just like exploring different areas of the country instead of just one area such as Amsterdam. And I wanted to take the train, so this was a good reason to take the train over here. And Parliament should just be up here in a few minutes. So that building there is Dutch Parliament. As you can see, it's going under quite a few renovations, but I'm going to see if I can find the side of it that isn't going under renovations. It's also that really cool thing there that you can walk up and I guess get a good view of the entire city. There's a better view of Dutch Parliament. You can see the renovations are still going down this way. You got people in swans on the water. Here's a better view. Still have the cranes in the background, but at least down towards the bottom, there's not as much going on. And you know it wouldn't be Dutch if it wasn't right on the water. You can see the water goes up to about right there. And then that's the Parliament building, and I'm assuming that's probably something to do maybe with Parliament. So there is Ukraine's flag, but that is not Ukraine's embassy, that's a museum. But there's a Georgia's flag. So I wonder if this building is Georgia's embassy. This one right here. Let's look, yep, there it is, it says Embassy of Georgia. Right there on the flag. Pretty cool. You see fall weather starting to set in. The leaves are starting to fall. Although the trees are still pretty full, but it's well on its way. Of course, all the bicycles. This is a really nice area over by Dutch Parliament. I like the red door. Wat ding is?
Gauw van Priel. Als een boer.
It's free to go up, so I figured why not? Might as well get a good view of the city. Plus, it really isn't even that high up. Just about to the top. Thought that was interesting to read. Anyway, here's the top. Well, that was cool. That was a good way to see The Hague from up above and get some more information about the Parliament building. But it is now 3:11 and I haven't had lunch or anything yet, so let's go get lunch. Alright guys, so that place was really good. That was really good Mexican food. And now I'm on my way back to the train station to head back to Amsterdam. It also looks like it's gonna rain here soon. Alright guys, I am back in Amsterdam, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.